Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. My 2003 Jeep TJ that has a 4.8 LS swap in. We're going to be doing an oil gallery diverter, our barbell. We're going to install because I have to do rear engine seal. So while I have it apart, I might as well install this. Just taking out the package, going to put the two O-rings on it. Get her prepped for the install. And of course, I'm going to skip by removing the transmission, all that, because it's not important. Remove the flex plate. And then you got your cover on the back. Like I said before, if you're doing the oil seal, I'm doing a whole complete cover. It's a good practice just to do the barbell at the same time. That way you're not going to be going back in afterwards. So remove all the bolts. Pretty simple. There's 13 mil, or 10 mil I should say. And then I just use a little pry bar just to pry out the corners. And then you can see the barbell right there in the corner. To get that out, the easiest way is to take a drill and drill it out, and I'm being very careful because I don't want those to fall into the oil pan. So I just drill a little bit until I get some strands there, and I pull them off. I tried putting a rag up in there, but it's not really going to sit, so this is the way I'm going to do it. Just drill a hole, catch those filings, hopefully they don't fall in. So I'm going to take the screw, gonna screw it in. Oh yeah, puke that out. There we go, we're out. We are out. And leaking oil all over the place. I got my barbell, it's all lubed up. I'm gonna push it in. Sometimes they'll go in easy, sometimes they won't. This one here is being a super tight fit. So I just taken a rubber mallet and very carefully tap it into place. There we go. We're in. And that's it. We're done. That's pretty simple. Takes about 5 minutes. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.